Welcome friends, welcome for the paper discussion of physics, today's paper. One by one we will go for solving the problems. Let's start with problem number 1. In problem number 1, there are two identical spheres. So, and they are asking some charges are present on the sphere and what will the potential. So, for the potential we are using from the Coulomb's law, whatever I told now, the same concept we are using over there. Only the formula will be K Q upon R. But here R will be same because two spheres are same. So radius R will be same. Now it will depend on the charge. Now you will ask me, sir, how that minus 5 and minus 16, in that how minus 5 is there. Then whatever you are doing for algebra, na, on number line you are finding the numbers. So minus 5 will be more than minus 16. Then that will be used here. So that minus 5 will be taken and more. And why this happens? That is there for the potential energy. That will be there for the potential energy. So potential will be VA minus VB. Potential difference between the 2 points. So 0 minus minus 5 and whatever it is there. Depending on that, you get the idea and your option A will be the correct option. Second, if you are having any query, then you may send message to my WhatsApp number. Second, dash dash is independent of size and shape of the conductor. Of course, C will become, that will be the resistivity. No need to explain. Number 3, the mass of the element deposited at the electrode when 1 coulomb of charge is passed through the electrolyte is called as. So, actually, that is from your electrochemistry. We are using the electrolyte, electrodes, and then we are getting the current, chemical effect of electric current. That is called as the electrochemical equivalent. What it is called as electrochemical equivalent. So I think the option will be B. B will be the option. Number 4, in a parallel circuit of bulbs, okay, same current exists in all the bulbs. Voltage across each bulb remains the same. Failure of any bulb leads to the break in the circuit. No, no, no. B will come. B will come. Resistance. Next go for, so 4. It will come B. Next we'll go for 5. Resistance of a metallic conductor depends on resistance of a metallic conductor depends length, area of cross section, temperature, all of those. Of course, it will depend on all of the other. Next we go for 6. 3 resistors, each of 10 ohm, are connected in series to a battery of potential difference 150 volt. The current through the circuit. No problem. You are knowing that how many 10 ohm, na? 10 ohm, 3 are connected in series. So here what will happen? 1, 2, 3. Now you are knowing in series current is constant. So here 10, here 10, here 10. So R equivalent become 10 plus 10 plus 30. It will become V is 150. So I will be V upon R equivalent. So I will become 150 upon 30. So I will be becoming 5 ampere. So let's 6 B 5 ampere is there. The terminal voltage of a cell in an open circuit condition, in an open circuit is condition, means what? This is the cell. When we are not connecting anything, yesterday only I have discussed, some students were there. If we are not using the cell, it is not in the circuit, then always terminal voltage is equal to the EMF, EMF of the cell. So that is the same. Okay. EMF you are knowing, no load voltage we are calling. No load voltage when any load is not connected. Matlab the cell is there of 1.5 volt. So if you are not connecting anything and directly checking its voltage, that voltage will become 1.5, and that is called as the EMF. Advanced concept you will learn in 12th class, but basic concept you have in your 10th class. Now number 7 over 7 will be C. 8 potential difference across the resistor of resistance 10 ohm. If 10 raised to 26 20 of electron now through is in 1 second. Means current you have to find out. Huh? Direct answer I will tell you 8 is 160. Okay, you just find out Q is equal to NE. So electrons are given. Electronic charge is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 multiplied by the number of electrons per second, means second time will be 1. So that will be your current, and potential difference is asked. So resistance is given, V is equal to IR. You can do that. Option is D. Now AC generator, maximum number of lines of force. Pass lines of force means field lines, magnetic field lines. Pass through the coil when the angle between the plane of the coil and line of the force is. That should be sine in form of sine. So sine 90 is 1. So that will be 90. D. 10. Magnetic induction field due to a short magnet on its equatorial line. Okay, there are two formulas: u naught upon 4 pi, 2m upon 2m upon r square, and m upon r square. So for equatorial it will be m upon r square. Okay, so for 10 answer will become 2b, 2 into that. Okay, because one is 1 m upon r square and another is 2m upon r square. Okay, so that will be. And then 11, magnetic field inside the solenoid is, I told you yesterday also I discussed with you. Solenoid के अंदर में क्या होता है? Magnetic field is uniform and outside in the form of curves. So uniform. For 12, a step down transformer, steps up dash and step down dash. The transformer. Now transformer, what it do? Transformer will convert your higher AC voltage to the lower AC voltage, or lower AC voltage to the higher AC voltage. But V is equal to I into R. So here now for the step down, down means first higher voltage it will take and it will convert to the lower voltage. So here 12 na 12 I think current and voltage. Step down transformer, steps up dash and step down dash. Okay, so of course step up step down में voltage आएगा because it is a step down transformer. So whatever it is there, directly it will step down the voltage, and for current it will step up. Okay, how it is there? It depends on the power. It depends on the power also, and its ratio is there. That is called as a transformation ratio. Number of turns of primary and number of turns of secondary. Primary secondary means like solenoid I told you na, like there are some coils and one coil and another coil. In one coil we are using AC voltage we are applied. So AC voltage means it will change. Due to the change in the voltage, flux will change and EMF, that current will be induced in the second coil. Electromagnetic induction, like we studied in the electric generator. Okay. 13. The power of DC motor can be increased. This can be directly done. All. Increasing the area of the coil, all. From formula you can understand. Then 14. Keeping the distance between the two magnetic poles constant. If the two poles are connected by iron rod, the force between the two poles increases, decreases, it will increase. It will increase. There is no calculation. 15. In a super suspension type, yesterday I discussed with you. Suspension type conductor, the couple developed in the suspension wire and loose spring is called. Okay, that will be I think restoring couple, deflecting couple and restoring couple. Couple means talk. I told yesterday only I took discussion. Some students were there. So couple means torque. Torque means when we are rotating something, we use the torque. So of course there will be two torques. One will be deflecting, the torque which is responsible for deflection. This is called as deflection. And if I am connecting this with say some spring, then it will again come to its original point. Here we are using magnetic field that will be making it to come again to its original point. That's why it is called as restoring torque. Okay. Now 16, 17. The students, what I will do for this, because we are having some less time. So what I will do, these all problems for the light, I will solve and I will give you that sheet on the group today itself. Okay. Today I have solved them. Just I want to take the snap and make the PDF. So those all the problems from 16 onwards, I will solve and give you. But before that, 16 is no problem. So 16 I will tell you directly. You can do that. So coin is placed in beaker containing water, appears at the depth of. So here just use mu is equal to real depth upon apparent depth. So 16 answer will come. I have found that answer. It will come 4 centimeter. You check that. Second, convex lens throws on screen 12 meter from the lens of magnification. Okay, if the magnification is 15, find the focal length of the lens. No problem. Magnification you have to find out. M is equal to V upon U. Image is given. Okay, and focal length is given. है ना? No. Focal length you have to find out. Magnification is given. Okay. V is given. Magnification is given. You can calculate U and then 1 by V minus 1 by U. You can calculate that. Your answer will come 75 centimeters. Apparent vertical shift, same is there, no need to explain, same formula you can use. Still, if you are having any doubt, you may ask me personally. Option will be 1 by mu. There is a formula. You can see in your worksheet. 19. Human eye has maximum luminous efficiency. This is uh, very simple. That is the green color. I think for last exam also we have discussed that. 20. What are the factors that determine the angle of deviation in the prism? All are there. A plus I, A plus delta, I plus E is equal to A plus delta, I plus E. Angle of incidence, angle of emergence, A means angle of prism, delta means angle of deviation. So all of the above will come for that. Now from 21 to 25, they are the problems. So 5 problems I will solve and I will give you. Thanks a lot for watching the lecture. If you do have any queries, just send it on my WhatsApp. I will make get it solved. There is no problem. Okay. Thanks a lot. Wish you happy Diwali and do your studies seriously because now due to Corona, everything has structure has changed. But now slowly just everything is going on the track. So you also come on track. Many of you are coming for the out session for the school. That's also good. After Diwali, we will be starting our session. So again, once again, happy Diwali. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.